It's Halloween, guys, so Jabari's here. He's picking out his costume. What is that? Yeah.
Hey Posh Dolls, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today you guys will be following me and my mom around. My mom is going to go to Home Goods because she needs some stuff for her office space. She has a little office now. So she's also going to go to
I'm going to David's tea. Yeah, I'm going to the mall.
To get some tea.
I'm going to get some tea. I ran out of that, yeah.
She's been looking for some office stuff for like a week now. She's been at TJ Maxx. She's been to Marshalls. She's been to all of those. But we gotta go and see if
I've been to the Burlington factory. I didn't find anything. I've been to the thrift shop. I still didn't find anything. So hopefully I can find some stuff at Home Goods. And that's it. Like Jabari said, I'm gonna run to the mall. I'm heading by David's Tea just to get my 2 favorite teas, and that's it. So tag along with us, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Magic of editing.
Halloween. Isn't this creepy? Creepy downtown. What is this?
It's probably because it's coming close to Halloween.
At one point, you guys first opened, I had like a little paper, and I must have put it away somewhere, and I would check off all the different ones I had.
What's that?
These are different types of teas. This is Blackberry Blizzard, and this is Berry Burst. A pair of spritz.
I like these.
This all for Halloween.
Now we get the giant
So yes, guys, about to leave the mall. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in David's. Is there any water in here, Jay? Huh? So this is the packaging for David's tea, and The first one I got is Super Ginger, and this is the container that they come in. Well, you can get smaller amount. You have in the little plastic Ziploc containers, depending on how much you're buying. So this is 16 ounce, and like I said, this is the Super Ginger. It smells so good. Not sure if you guys can see that, but that's the Super Ginger. So my friend Ruth put me onto this, and from ever since, I'm hooked. I love it. The other one I got is the Lemon Cayenne Cleanse. Same container. And this is what this one looks like. So all I do is add my hot water and I let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes, and then I will sweeten with my honey, and that's basically it. So yeah, that's it. We're heading off to Home Goods now. I didn't even see that you came this way. Put this up here. Alright, let's go. The first thing we need to find, we need pillows, okay?
Mom.
What?
I want that thing. I know I don't.
When your room is all set up and stuff. Everything here is so girly and sparkly and pink. Everything is so girly right here. Let's go on this side. Let's see what they have over here. Which one? I need silver. I need something silver.
You want some silver?
Mm-hmm.
I just saw a pony picture that's silver.
Silver or black? Just gonna keep it right here. I'm not sure what's going on, guys, but I'm not finding anything that I like. I don't know. Jabari, come and look at these. Jay,
Hello?
look at these.
I'm contour. That's nice.
I don't want nice. I want posh. Look at these ones. I don't know. Let's go the other side.
You gotta go, man. I can't go. You don't need.
Let's see what they have over here. Guys, I'm looking some wall decor for my office space, but I'm not seeing anything I like. Everything is so regular. Everything is regular. Jabari's not helping. He's just on his phone. I don't know. Let's look on the other side, Jay. No, I feel like I'm giving up because I can't find anything. I need silver. Silver, 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 silver. Silver. This is so cute. $40. Oh, one fell off.
Oh, that's your fault.
What do you mean? That cushion is pretty. That one on the bottom.
See, mommy. I'm not blaming you.
How could it be?
You don't want it small, right? It's your fault.
How could it be my fault?
It's your fault if I go
Ow.
to be a single man.
If you go to be a single man.
Single man.
So what if you're single? So what?
Oh, Mom, give me my phone so I can run back.
So what if you're single?
Mom, give me your phone, please. We can't leave the store.
It's Halloween, guys, so Jabari's here. He's picking out his costume. What is that? Yeah. So you have to look for the number.
This is one I wanted to do. I want to be her.
That's so outdated. So these are all the costumes that are available for Halloween. Oh my goodness. You see this? Look at costume, you guys. Oh my god. Which one?
I want to be Spider-Man. Or... yeah, Spider-Man. I was him last year. Remember you got me the costume?
Uh-huh.
Whoa, that's tough. I might be Infinity War Captain America.
Just go right there.
No, I'm gonna pop it on the screen instead.
Okay.
Where's the button again? I lost it.
Okay, it's almost our time. With who? Okay, so we got Jabari his costume for Halloween.
Y'all wanna come trick or treat with me? You can do that. Yeah, we can do that. Trick or treating vlog.
Nah, I don't think so. Come, let's go.
If y'all, if I,
He is turning my vlog into his own.
no, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Aunt Dave was doing that in Jamaica.
No, she wasn't.
If I see 10 comments that says, Jabari, we want to do a trick-or-treating vlog, I'm going to do one. And y'all going to follow me. And I'm going to tell y'all my favorite candy and all of that. So stay tuned if you want to see me on my costume. You feel me? I'm sorry.
That's okay.
So, yeah.
Alright guys, so here is where we're going to end the vlog for today. So we'll catch you in the next one.
Bye.